Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. 6th grade students, we have done the exercise number 1 to 3 in your cahier de exercises, your exercise book. Today we will do the fourth exercise that is on your page number 24. So, completez les phrases. You have to complete the sentences. So, first of all, though in 1 year, Ilya dash mois. There is dash months. How many months? 12. Though a jour in the day, Iliad dash hour. In a day, Iliad how many hours? 24 hours. And juin est le dash mois de l'année. Juin est le sixth month of the year. And mardi est le dash jour de la semaine. Mardi is the second day of the week. Le dash juillet, nous fêtons les fêtes nationales françaises. At 14th of July, we celebrate the national festival of France. Il y a dash day in the il y a dash jour dans le mois de juillet. There are 31 days in the month of July. But students, we can't write these answers. We have to write down in French here. So here are the answers for you. So 12 is 12, 80, 24, cesium 6, deuxième second, 14, 14 and 31, 31. So do this exercise. And this next exercise is exercise number 9 in the same book. So retrouver les phrases. Here the sentences, here the words are given is like this. They are not in the correct order and you have to put into the correct order. So here I have done this for you. Il y a beaucoup d'animaux dans le zoo. There are a lot of animals in the zoo. Catherine et sa sœur arrivent demain. Catherine and her sister will arrive tomorrow. So nous gardons du fromage dans le fridge. We keep the cheese in the fridge. Son parents sont Indian. Ses parents sont Indian. His parents are Indians. Tu habites en France. You are living in France. These are the answers. Now 8th exercise. In the 8th exercise again you have to put the adjective possessive. So these adjective possessives are given. Now for example ma is given. So ma is used for je. Je means I and you use ma, my when you talking about I. Okay, so j'aime ma mère. I like my mother. Now notre. Notre you use with nous. Okay, so firstly you have to tell which subject you are using to which possessive adjective. Okay, and then you have to conjugate the ma verb. I have done this for you here. So notre you are using with nous. Now aim, you know conjugation of the verbs, it is er ending verb. So with nous what you write down? ons. This is we have done in the 3rd and 4th chapter. We have done notre nous amo notre mère. You we love our mothers. So nous ton we are using with you, and with you we use es at the end. This you know very well. So here you like your. Now ton is given is ton, and ton we always use with the male person. So we can't write down here mère, mother we can't write down. Okay, so for the male person we have to write down père, means papa. So for ton, with ton we put père. So like this nous, like this vous use with vous, and vous will be there. Vous you can also, but vous is given to vos vous, and mères will come here. Okay, ils leur we use with ils, and now leurs are plural. So plural is given, then you can't use mother or father. You have to put here plural also. So plural is parents, like this. So this leur is singular. Here you can write down mother also and father also. Okay. So do this exercise. It is very simple.